Rotten potatoes. Not only do I like them, I have to make them because my wife's handicapped today. She had her hand operated on. Here's some pictures. We'll show you that later. She's got her hand all wrapped up. So I got to put some more potatoes in here. I cut these potatoes on my CNC machine and I brought them in, and we've already put some in here. We got 2 layers in here. We got mozzarella cheese. We got some pepper. We got some thyme, I think. And then we got, what is that, garlic. We got pressed garlic. Oh, I love pressed garlic. Ooh, it's just so good. So now we're gonna milk some more. We're gonna add some more milk, and it's heavy cream actually is what we're putting in here. And that's just gonna make all this stuff just wonderful. So that's, oops, there's some stuff in there. I better get this out before she sees it. I don't have it all out of there. I don't know what that is. Oh, that's the garlic. Oh, that's the good stuff. We're gonna make sure we get all that in there. So we got that in there. Then we got to put some thyme in there. It's like Rosemary and Thyme, the TV show from the British Acorn Network. So we got some of that. Then we got some pepper. No salt, just the pepper, because we already got salt in there and I put too much in there. And I get carried away with the ingredients. So the next thing we're going to add is we're going to add some wine to the cook. That makes it all good. So if I have some more wine today, I can probably eat these Au Gratin potatoes, even though I don't like them. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time. So here's a picture of my lovely wife. You can see why I'm doing the cooking tonight. She had her hand run over by a D9 caterpillar that was working in the backyard. And not really, but she's suffering from hand surgery to get her little fingers straightened out so she can play the piano. I'm trying to get her booked into some nightclubs to make some extra money. Okay, we got the potatoes all cheesed up here and milked up, and there's salt, pepper, we got everything added. We're gonna put some tin foil on the top of it and cover these up and put them in the oven for in case you ever wondered, you don't ever why that one side is shiny, one side isn't shiny. It's because when they make this aluminum foil, they actually run 2 pieces of aluminum foil together, and that's the back side. So that's the 2 that were together, and then there's 2 outsides that are shiny. So you can file that away.
I will.
So once we get this all wrapped up here, we've already got our oven up to 340 degrees. She loves this little stove on the counter. We do most of the stuff. Well, she does when she doesn't have her hand in surgery. She does most of the stuff. So we're gonna put that in there. We're gonna take a little bit more wine and put it in the cook. I'm drinking out of my St. Pius of Hamul 50th anniversary glass from 1956 to 2006. Have a nice day.